Welcome to the automated travel guide to travel insurance. So what is travel insurance? Travel insurance is a financial safety net to protect you against unexpected costs. You pay the fee to the insurance company, known as the premium.
In return, they agree to pay for specific, expensive emergencies should they arise. So what does travel insurance cover? The big three emergencies on holiday can be 1. Medical emergencies. If you get sick or injured. Hospital and medical care is expensive. And the cost of flying you home in a medical plane would be a financial challenge to us all.
The second thing that can be covered is trip cancellation and interruption.
So, if you have to cancel your holiday before you leave or come home early,
due to things like illness, injury, or a family bereavement,
the third thing that is covered are possessions and luggage. If your bags are lost by the airline, or if your passport or wallet is stolen, insurance pays back your non-refundable costs, such as flights, hotels, and tours.
it can also cover the cost of replacements or emergency cash. Just as important, you must know what insurance doesn't cover. For example, if you change your mind, or you don't tell them things, like that serious illness you had last year, or high-risk activities like skydiving, skiing, or riding a scooter, or even a problem caused by you being under the influence of drink or drugs. Do I need travel insurance? Well, insurance is for things you cannot control. Even breaking a limb could be financially disastrous for some people. International travel, medical costs in countries like the USA can reach hundreds of thousands of dollars. Even in Europe, a standard health card, like the GHIC, won't cover things like emergency rescue or being flown home. Then there are cruises. Most cruise lines require proof of insurance to board because medical evacuations from a ship at sea are incredibly expensive. Then there are high-value trips. If you've spent thousands on a non-refundable safari or luxury resort, insurance protects that investment if you have to cancel due to illness or a family emergency. Then there are specific destinations, for example Cuba, Turkey, Thailand, that may ask for proof of insurance as a condition of entry. When is insurance optional but recommended? Domestic travel, you don't need medical cover if you're covered by your National Health Service, like the NHS in the UK.
But insurance can still cover cancelled hotels, lost luggage, or train or internal flight delays. Short, cheap trips. If you're only carrying a backpack and your flight costs less than the insurance premium, you might skip it, unless you are worried about medical emergencies. What types of insurance policy are there? Choosing the right type of travel insurance depends on two main things: how often you travel, and what you'll be doing while you're there. Here is a breakdown of the most common types of policies. The first is how often you travel in a year. Single trip insurance covers one specific trip for a set number of days. This is usually the cheapest option if you only plan to travel once or twice a year. Then there is annual multi-trip insurance. This covers an unlimited number of trips over a 12-month period. If you travel 3 or more times a year, this is almost always more cost-effective against buying a new policy every time.
Top tip, most annual policies have a max days per trip limit, often 31 or 45 days. Then there is your destination. Insurers divide the world into sections. UK, Europe, worldwide with the USA and Canada, worldwide without the USA and Canada. The cost is dependent on the countries you are going to visit. There are also specialized policies for backpacker, long stay, winter sports, cruise insurance, and business travel. Don't forget you can save money by having a single policy for the whole family. Granadillo may be more expensive if she is over 65. One final hack, check your bank account or credit card benefits first. Many premium accounts include travel insurance for free. Thanks for listening. See you soon. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share.